Hello, YouTube. It is 3:07 p.m. Eastern Time, August 14th, 2025. And did a bunch of trading today. So the high of the day is 64.95.25. You have about the same amount of buyers and sellers. This candle here. I would say the buyers have a little more of an edge. Let me see if we could pull back into this area here. Here's a high volume node, pretty much, on a volume profile. For the session that started at 9:30 Eastern Time. I do have a volume profile on another monitor. Still haven't found out how I can include it in the video. Yeah, buyers were strong here. The sellers came back pretty strong here as well. So let's see what happens here. Strong delta here. Strong delta here. 86 to 89 is 3 points. Yeah, just a little consolidation up and down. Small candles, nothing much. Looks like you got a little buying, but it looks like it's getting choked off at about 87.25. See the way the deltas are. You got buyers and sellers. I mean, it's pretty neutral. So there's really not much to do here yet. And no FOMO. Wait for your trade. I'd like to see a little more of whoever's going to take control of this candle. I'd like to see a little more show up. 556 sellers, and we're not able to come down. So let's focus on the depth of market. So they're adding it, they're coming down a little bit. So I think we have sellers a little more control. See if they're starting to add here. 20, 86 is 80, 89.50. Let's keep that in, yep. They're starting to pull some bids, some offers here. This auction here is unfinished. This auction down here is unfinished, and this auction down here is unfinished. So 84.25. 680, we're not able to get up, you see? But sellers aren't dominating yet. We do have a big seller here, though. We come down, we come back up. So so we have a little area here that we need to go through. Got 1,300 delta. There's a lot of buyers here. See what happened here? So the buyer, yeah. So I'm looking at the buying profile. Buyers are definitely, sellers are trying to absorb the buying. The next move will be about 90.75, which is about a point. And then we could probably go to 95. You have 249 on the offer here. So I'm going to go ahead and call that bluff. See them re-add it again? They're starting to pull it a little bit right here. I'm going to go up one tick past that. All right. So we're in. I'll take it. 92 even. We're coming back down again. 243 is a big number. It's a big number. All right, I'm good with that. Good with that. Still holding pretty good. I mean, we got good numbers going in. I think we're going to pop up just a little bit, then come back down on this one here. I mean, we're getting to the high of the, we're getting to the high of the day. So we'll just give this a couple of seconds, then I'll go ahead and stop the video. Well, we may make a run to the top, but I'm not that brave. So price action is not telling me that there's either way or another. You got 244 here. I was able to call a bluff before because what the price action was telling me underneath. I'm not too brave right now. Unfinished auction here. So it's just a lot of buying right here still. I mean, yeah, the delta looks to be pretty good. Kind of holding support here. I mean, right at this where I got out. This is the trade I just took right here. From here to here. Yeah, we came up. Yeah, did I leave a little bit on the table? A point? Yeah, possibly. It's okay. Trade is just the next trade is just a click away. It's pretty decent here. Looks good. Oh, I had somebody ask what's a typical day look like to you? I don't know. It changes. I don't know. Another, what's your performance? How much money do you make? Is it worth it? Whatever. So let's look at the performance today. So today, what did I do? I took 12 trades. No drawdown. Remember, this is the micro, so I made $68.75 today. These are my trades. That's not a lot of money. Yeah, it isn't. But that's what I do. This is very scalable. You scale to whatever you want. You want to do, if you have the pocket for the minis, go ahead. So just add a 0 to that number, and that's what you made for the day. So if we just do this and go, all right, how much did you make? You would have made $687.50. All right, but this doesn't mean anything to me. It's the process. It's nice to win. It's nice to take trades and just win them all, right? Yeah, that's what you do. You do it anyway. So that's that. So we got that out of the way. This really doesn't matter to me. I don't care what anybody else makes. It's the process. You got to keep the process going, and you got to know what you're doing. So that's basically it. Know what you're doing, and it has to be repeatable. And do I trade the whole day and sit down and do it all the time? No, I don't. I don't trade the whole day. Take a couple of trades, take a couple of trades, take a couple of trades. You know, have lunch, come back. That's it. I don't do this for a living. I don't rely on trading money to pay my bills. I'm retired. I retired at a young age. I've been trading since 2008, and I wouldn't be doing this if I wasn't making money since then. So that's it. Everybody else has this situation. That's my situation. So that's good. So let's put that aside. We got that out of the way. I like the process, and I like being able to continue to use the brain cells. Got about 17 minutes on this video. I think I'm just going to let it go here. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I will get back to you. Also, I'm on my voice chat on my Discord, which will be on each one of my videos. It's listed, the link to join. And if you join, hit me up in the chat if you have a question. If it needs to be verbalized, need a little more clarification. All right. I'm happy to help out. Trading's been good to me, so that's my way of paying back. So that's about it. Be safe. I'll see you on the next one.